Hi, in today's video I'm going to explain our pickup and delivery service. We offer pickup and delivery 30-mile radius from our Lexington store, which includes Richmond, Nicholasville, Frankfort, Georgetown, multiple other locations. You can go to our website and sign up directly to sign up for an account to get a pickup and delivery. So what you'll need to do is go to our website, which is splashemout.com. You'll sign up for an account, which will allow you to schedule your pickup and deliveries on the day that's convenient for you. Once you schedule those, that morning of your pickup, to remind you to please have your items sitting outside for us. Once we pick them up, you'll get another text saying we have picked up your items, they're safe with us. We'll bring them back to the processing center, process your pickup and delivery wash and fold order. Once your order is completed, you'll get another text saying your order is complete and it will be delivered on whatever day that you have chosen to have it delivered back on. So once we pick up your order up at your door, it's brought to our processing facility. First, when we bring it in, we weigh it, print tags, so that when we take it over to be laundered, we separate it, check pockets, separate darks from whites, towels. It's laundered. Once it's finished being laundered, we'll move it over to the dryers, where the dryers are labeled as well. Once we finish drying it, then we'll pack it and label it and have it ready to be delivered back the next day. So one reason why people do our pickup and drop off, people are time poor. They have jobs, kids, family, extra curricular stuff they like to do, hiking, whatnot. So they can either schedule a pickup for us to pick up, or they can actually just bring it to us and we'll do it. Once you go and sign up for an account and get your pickup and delivery scheduled, we can pick it up as soon as that day if you schedule it before noon. If you don't schedule it before noon, we can pick it up on the next day. Generally, it's a 24-hour turnaround unless for some reason the client signs up for a few days out. If they're out of town, whatnot, they may schedule further out. Pricing for our pickup and delivery starts out at $1.69 per pound. That's for basic wash and fold laundry. Blankets, comforters, dog beds, specialty items are at a per item price. If you want items pressed, we can press as well.
We have our order and we're going to place our order ticket on the box reader. We're going to place our items inside the washer, and at the beginning we checked out to make sure no debris or money or items were in the pockets. And you place your items inside the washer and we will shut the door and lock it. The powder detergent that we use, it goes inside the washer. If we have liquid, it will go in top of the dispenser. You'll choose your temperature. And when using a card, we'll slide our card. It'll weigh out the poundage of the laundry, and then it will tell us to push start. Our laundry is done on the washing. We'll remove the tag from the box reader and place it on our buggy. We'll pull our items out. We will shut the door to know that I need to clean this one. And then this is a smaller load. We'll go over here to a medium size.
More teaching.
Make sure we don't have any debris in here or someone else's clothing that's been forgotten. We'll place our items in, shaking them out a little bit, like so. Place our tag on our box reader. We're going to determine about how much weight is here. It usually takes about 20 minutes. Our box reader has our money and our minutes on there to determine so you know what to pay with your card. We'll keep pushing the green button to get to the 20-minute mark. We'll choose our temperature and then we'll slide our card. Our order is done drying now. We've removed the ticket and placed it on the buggy. When we take our items out, we always shake out and take our shirts and dresses and we hang them over the side of the buggy or the top to keep wrinkles out, like so. Pants, we just shake out and kind of fold over a little bit. We also take the dresses as well and children's clothing and hang the same way. Coats, we do coats, we'll hang them on the side here. take our clothing over to the folding table and begin to fold. And this is our folding center. We have a folding table for our shirts to help us keep them lined up and straight. This is a dress. I usually fold dresses the same way. A top is folded to keep it nice and neat. You want to keep your material on the inside and straight as possible. And this is the product when it comes out. With our pants, we take our pants, shake them out, and we fold them in half. We place them down like this, and we fold them in quarters. 1, 2, and 3. Sometimes if there's strings, I tie them in a knot in a bow if they're long enough.
In this video, I've gone over a little bit about what we do and the process of our pickup and delivery service. A lot of people do it because it's a time-saving thing and they can just do other things. We've got spring here, summer coming, and kids are going to be out of school. Hopefully you'll find this video interesting. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this that we'll have soon coming. We appreciate everything. Thank you.